The Meyiwa trial adjourned this week and has been postponed to the 13th of this month. The focus this week had been on accused number one, Muzi Sibiya's banking records presented in court last Thursday. The state is questioning his alibi that he was in KwaZulu-Natal at the time of Meyiwa's murder back in October 2014, as his bank transaction shows he was in Gauteng. Now, Pedersen of TCG Forensics joins us now to unpack this type of evidence and how it can impact, or if it has any impact, in a case. Mr. Pedersen, thank you so much for your time here on ENCA. Bank records, is that like a huge silent witness, sort of, in a case like this one?
Yes, absolutely. People tend to forget that bank records, cellular phone data that's created by third parties has more provenance when it goes to court, because it's not user-created data per se. It's created by the user's interaction with a service or a specific institution like banking. And the depth of detail that you can acquire from a simple tap-and-go transaction with a bank card can conclusively place you in a particular time, in a particular place, and as in cases like this, can support or refute your location at the time of the transaction. Now, obviously, got to bear in mind, if it's a bank transaction, it doesn't mean you were there. It means your bank card was there, or using that as an example. So you'd want to get something like the CCTV footage when the transaction happened in order to support that it was that person that actually did the transaction.
So, but what if the transaction was done? I mean, these days you have your banking app and you can do it from home. What happens in that instance? Because you can't get CCTV footage from my house.
No, but you will find with most of the modern banking applications, there's a lot more that happens to the transaction